Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss solubility. After the completion of types of solution, now we have the topic solubility. If we try to understand the word solubility, it consists of two words, that is soluble plus ability. Soluble means to get dissolved in a given medium. Ability, it is the tendency or degree of any substance to get dissolved in a given medium, given solvent. So solubility, it is the tendency of a substance to get soluble in a given solvent at a given temperature, and the extent of substance in a given medium, that will call solubility. So solubility, it is the maximum amount of solute that is soluble in a given solvent. So the definition of solubility, it is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given solvent at a given temperature. So it is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given solvent at a given temperature. The maximum amount of solute that will be expressed in grams that can be dissolved in a given solvent, that will be the volume of a solvent. So solubility, mathematically we can write amount of solute in gram that can be dissolved in a given volume of a solvent, that is expressed in a liter. So the unit of solubility is a gram per liter. Right. So solubility is expressed in terms of a gram per liter. The amount of solute. Solute is that substance which is dissolved, and solvent is that substance in which given solute is dissolved. Now the factors affecting solubility. First factor is temperature. That's why we use the word given temperature, because solubility is variable with the temperature. If we have the solid solute, then solubility will increase with the rise in temperature. For solid solute, solubility increases with the increase in temperature. As we raise the temperature, the solute particles will collide with each other and they will be more available and more soluble in a given solvent. So with rise in temperature, solubility of a solid solute increases, because kinetic energy of solid solute particles increase. As a result, they will collide more rapidly and will be more soluble in a solvent. But if we have gaseous solute, solubility decreases with the increase in temperature. If we have a gas solute, then solubility decreases with the rise in temperature. Why? Because in previous chapter we have discussed gases possess almost highest kinetic energy. They already have highest kinetic energy. With rise in temperature, kinetic energy of gas particle will increase. They will tend to escape from the solution. They will vaporize easily and they will be not available in a given solvent to get soluble. That's why solubility for a gas solute decreases, because their kinetic energy will increase and they will tend to escape from the solution. This is the factor number 1 with the temperature, how solubility varies. For solid solute, directly proportional. For gas solute, inversely proportional. Second factor is pressure. For solid and liquid solute, almost no effect of pressure. If we have solid or liquid solute, then pressure has no significant effect on solubility, because solid, as we know, they are uncompressible. We can't compress solid particles, and liquid solute also they are little bit compressible. So pressure has no significant role on solubility for solid and liquid solute. Pressure plays a role only for a gas solute. For gas solute, solubility increases with the increase in pressure. As we apply external pressure, gaseous particle will come closer and hence they will be more available in a solvent to get soluble. The extent of solubility will increase because number of particles will be more available in a solvent, so they will be more soluble. So solubility is directly proportional to pressure. Third factor is nature of particles. Third effect is nature of particles. Solubility is just dependent on the word like dissolves like. Like dissolves like. Like dissolves like here means ionic solutes are more soluble in ionic solvent, and covalent solutes that are organic solute, they will be more soluble in organic solvent. So solubility is simply dependent on like dissolves like. Means ionic solute is more soluble in ionic solvent. That is the principle, like dissolves like. Polar particles are more soluble in polar solvent. Ionic solute, that involves ions. Opposite of it, we have organic solute. Is more soluble in organic solvent. So these are the three basic factors that affects the solubility. Again, solubility, it is the ability of solute to get dissolved in a given solvent at a given temperature, right? So next topic will be types of solution on the basis of solubility. We will discuss in next lecture. That will be saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and the concentration terms of solution. So that's it for solubility. I hope you would understand it.